these games, we know you stole our cookies. Me? It wasn't me. It was a spooky cookie beast. There is no cookie beast. You just made it up. No, it's a spooky cookie beast. It has 3 tails, 4 hands, and 6 big fangs. Stop lying to us. Just tell us where you hid the cookies. I didn't hide anything. But I'll find them or I'm not Tommy the detective. What are we doing here, Tommy? Looking for clues. Keep searching. I'll check the backyard. No, doggy, go away! What happened? Take off this muck from me! It's not a muck, it's an eyewitness! What did you say? Oh, really? Thank you very much! So where are we going now? To the beach! It'll never end, will it? I think I have an idea. How to end this quickly. Hey, Tommy! Tommy, we found something! Look, there are footprints on the sand! And they're going into the cave! Well, I don't think that cookie beast is hiding in such a scary place. Where else would a cookie beast be hiding? Come on, go into the cave! Or you can admit that there is no cookie beast and you completely made it up! I want Santa to send me a unicorn! And I want a hoverboard!
Children, dinner! And don't forget about cookies for Santa!
Yay! You know what'll be great? What? To meet Santa in real life! Yeah, that would be great! I think I've got a plan! Aw, it's not Santa! Hey! It's for Santa!
Santa will not come, but don't worry, your cookies are in safe hands.
Santa's not coming?
The evil snowmen have grabbed the Santa, jailed him, and now are messing up the toy factory.
What? We have to save Santa, and you'll help us.
Oh no, I'm going home. We've run out of cookies anyway.
Are you sure? Send us to the North Pole!
Okay. Don't ever touch the yellow crystals. And if you don't want to die in agony, certainly do not lick them. And don't listen to songs of the North long-eared hares. Horrible creatures. Well, good luck.
Stop crying, Tommy. I think we are almost done. Kinda safe. What's glittering there? Looks like the final prize. I'm first. Panda, wait! It can be dangerous. You are just jealous that I'm first. Panda, watch out! We did it! Wait! What's this? We need one more heavy thing. No! Don't look at my cup like that! Panda, we have to leave something on the fourth button. Let's leave Tommy. Huh? Panda! Please help us!
Who are you?
I'm Panda. I'm Dolly. I'm Tommy.
What? Eddie's.
Ouch!
Oh, it's truly you.
Look, we found it in the cave, and then we became cubic.
Skibbity bobbity doo. Look, you need this blue crystal.
Looks so scary.
Do you want to stay cubic forever?
No.
Come on, jump into the portal.
I see it, a blue crystal. Run! Tommy, catch it! Dolly, catch
Oh, why so long?
Watch out! The slugs!
What the? Hmm?